Today I'm going to do a review on the Nerf Titan, also known as a bazooka. As you can see, a rocket there, only one bullet. You can have an attachable 6-bullet gun right there, and attachable pistol right here. The second trigger fires all 6, and the first trigger fires the rocket. There's a sighting at the top of it. And now we're going to demonstrate to shoot it at someone. Okay. You have to pump it. See, if you see the meter right here. Once the meter's at high, which it is, then you could fire at your target. Today we're using a little kid as our target.